Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying model and Android build because the method depends on firmware. Once done, back up your photos and documents. MDDM removal can wipe data. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your PC can communicate with the tablet. If the device is managed with an enterprise account, request credentials or a removal token. Otherwise, plan a factory reset and recovery approach. Make sure you have a Lenovo USB cable and a PC with ADB installed before moving forward. Now you connect the tablet via USB and confirm ADB recognizes it, a DB devices. Identify MDM packages and admin apps using package listings because you need exact names to remove or disable them. If the app is device administrator, use settings or a DB to revoke admin privileges before uninstalling. Otherwise, the uninstall will fail. For protected system apps, reboot to safe mode or use custom recovery to remove the APK. Keep logs of commands so you can revert if something behaves unexpectedly. To finalize, perform a factory reset to clear leftover profiles and policies. This removes many enforced settings. After the reset, reboot and confirm there are no device admin entries and the MDM app is gone. If policies reappear or activation locks persist, reflash the stock Lenovo firmware using official tools. This replaces protected system components. If you hit an activation lock, secure the original account credentials or contact the organization's IT. One tip: keep a full backup and the exact firmware you flashed in case you need to restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.